Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the Cyclone and ring on your Dyson SV47 vacuum cleaner. This task can enhance the efficiency of your vacuum, ensuring it operates at its best. Let's get started with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Additionally, having a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning purposes will be beneficial. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and completely powered off. Begin by removing the dust container from the main body of the vacuum. To do this, press the release button located on the top of the dust container and pull it away from the vacuum. Next, you will need to detach the Cyclone assembly. Locate the screws that secure the Cyclone to the dust container. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the Cyclone away from the dust container. If it feels stuck, a slight twist can help release it. Now, let's focus on the ring. The ring is typically located at the base of the Cyclone. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears worn, it's time to replace it. To do this, use your flathead screwdriver to pry the old ring off gently. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. Before installing the new ring, take a moment to clean the area thoroughly. Use your soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the surfaces. This will ensure a proper seal when you install the new components. Once the area is clean, take your new ring and align it with the base of the Cyclone. Press it into place until you hear a click indicating it is securely fitted. Now, take your Cyclone and reattach it to the dust container. Align it properly and push it down until it clicks into place. Next, it's time to secure the Cyclone with the screws you removed earlier. Using your Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws until they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the plastic. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our team provides a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before any work is carried out. After securing the Cyclone, reattach the dust container to the main body of the vacuum. Ensure it clicks into place, indicating it is secure. Finally, plug in your vacuum and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or if the vacuum does not perform as expected, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front without any hidden fees. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, and we handle everything for you. In summary, replacing the Cyclone and ring on your Dyson SV47 is a straightforward process that can significantly improve your vacuum's performance. With the right tools and a little patience, you can do it yourself, or you can rely on our professional services for a hassle-free experience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.